Good Sunday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this November the 10th, 2013. Had a gorgeous day across eastern North Carolina, even a touch warmer than what we expected. Actually topped out in the low 70s in a couple of spots, upper 60s in others. Well, Clipper system rolling through the flow tonight, and that's going to keep our temperatures cooler. But that's just the first part of our forecast, and we still got to talk about that wintry mischief that we've been kind of skirting around the issue. Now we're going to introduce that into the forecast as we head into the next, let's say, 48, 78, 2 hours. So let's get you into the 7 days ahead. Here's some of the morning lows on the board this morning. 40 at Kinston, 43 at Greenville, 38 at Kenansville. Hosky Taste the Cake, 36, 37 Roanoke Rapids, 41 at Jacksonville. We got another 30-degree swing in temperatures today across eastern North Carolina. 72 Roanoke Rapids and Hosky, as well as New Bern and Kinston, 70 at Greenville, 73 at Washington, 67 Morehead City. So overall, not too bad of a day. We're down into the 60s and 50s, already down to 52 at Greenville, 58 New Bern, 62 the current temperature at both Hatteras and Morehead City. Double nickels at Swan Quarter. See that little frontal boundary that just clipped through Norfolk? Yeah, that is our little clipper system. That is the first part of our forecast. That's going to be bringing the temperatures down heading into tonight and tomorrow, as well as our day on Tuesday, before the big cool down comes into the forecast. As far as tonight is concerned, expect mostly clear skies, calm winds, and cold conditions. Deep inland spots will drop into the 30s. East of Highway 17, likely around the 40 to 42 degree mark tonight. But it will be a chilly night once again. Here's a look at the rundown, and we're talking about that dry clipper tonight, cooler for Monday. The Arctic plunge and some wintry mischief as we head towards your day on Tuesday night into Wednesday, and a slow warm up into the latter half of the week. So as far as the precision forecast model is concerned for tonight, for tomorrow rather, we'll start off in the 30s and some 40s on the board tomorrow morning, and topping out, getting up there to the mid 50s by say noontime, then topping out in the upper 50s to near 60 by 3 o'clock, and then we start to come down off of that by about 5 o'clock in the evening. All right, to our southern counters we go. Goldsboro, Kinston, up to 57 and 58 respectively, mostly sunny skies. That'll be at noontime. We should top out low 60 south of US 70. Maybe a couple of spots, maybe staying into the 50s through the afternoon hours. Overall, not too bad of a day with mostly sunny skies expected. All right, so we've been talking about it the last couple of days, and that big Arctic plunge moving into the forecast. And you see it kind of straddling, say, just south of Chicago, all the way over into Nebraska, back up into Canada. And it's on its way here. We're looking at the GFS model, the 12Z run to GFS, and there it is. Here we go Wednesday morning. It's some very cold air aloft and all the way through the column as we head through the overnight hours of Tuesday into Wednesday. So we have some cold air, and it will start to modify as we head towards the latter half of the forecast period, but in the meantime, definitely some cooler temperatures. All right, so Monday, Veterans Day looking great, 59 degrees. Tuesday, that's when we're going to see increasing of clouds ahead of the system to roll in here. We'll be able to maybe squeeze out a little bit of moisture late on Tuesday into Wednesday morning. Very limited amounts of moisture. The rainfall amounts would not even amount to maybe 0.05 of an inch. But you see, we're at freezing that night. And I just want to give you a forecast disclaimer. What I say here, we're going to be talking about some showers. Pretty much all of it will be rain, but there will be the potential for some snowflakes mixed in, but no accumulation. But, of course, there will be somebody out there that is just hearing the word snow. So just a little funny there. All right, so here's the details. Actually, it's supposed to be 56 for the high temperature on Tuesday, not 59, but you get the drift. We'll be increasing clouds. We will add the chance for some showers on Tuesday night. Not everybody is going to get wet. Some wet flakes may mix in. No issues, no accumulation. You don't need to go out and buy bread and milk. And I don't know why you would do that in the first place, but this is not going to be that type of issue. Clearing through Wednesday, but the main issue is the cold. We're only going to top out in the 40s for Wednesday. So that is the one thing I do want to make mention. It's like, don't even worry about this little system that may bring us some maybe some white stuff, but it's not even going to cover the ground. It won't even stick to the ground because the ground temperatures are up in the upper 50s and low 60s. So you won't worry about that. But Wednesday morning, we're only going to warm up to about 44 on average. Some spots may be even cooler than that, especially deep inland, mainly west of Highway 258. So that's what I'm more worried about, is the cold conditions that we're going to be experiencing on Wednesday. 28 Wednesday into Thursday morning. We get back to the upper 40s and low 50s by Thursday. Mostly sunny skies. A few more clouds for Friday. Maybe a shower skirting the coast. We'll get back up to 60, 64 by Saturday. Slim chance for a shower, mainly for coastal areas. And then 70 on Sunday, mostly cloudy. And the chance for a shower late in the day on Sunday as another system approaches us from the west. So once again, I want to point out that this system will have very, very low impacts here across eastern North Carolina, if any at all. If we even see any rain shower activity, very light amounts, and not everybody's going to see the rain. But a couple of wet snowflakes could be mixing in at times with this system. But once again, I want to stress there will be no issues with this system as it rolls into the area. We will just be focusing in on the cold. That is the main aspect of this 7-day forecast, and then the warm-up as we head into the latter half of the forecast period. All right, so tonight we're going to be on late on WNCT, probably about 11:45 or so. We will be on the CW at 10 on the dot. Stay up to date with us, Facebook, Twitter, WNCT.com. Have a great rest of your evening, great day tomorrow, and a great weather week ahead.